Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are diving into rotation about the origin. We will specifically focus on using angle measures and understanding the all-important positive counterclockwise convention. First, let's define what a rotation actually is. It is a transformation that turns a figure around a fixed point. The key thing to remember is that the size and shape of the figure do not change. Imagine every point of the object moving along a circular path around that center. In coordinate geometry, we need a specific fixed point to rotate around. For this lesson, our center of rotation is always the origin, the point 0, 0, where the x and y axes intersect. We measure the amount of turn in degrees. In mathematics, we often use the Greek symbol theta to represent this angle. But notice, there isn't just a number. There is also a sign, positive or negative. This sign tells us the direction of the turn. Before we start rotating, we need a starting line. This is called the standard position. We always start measuring our angle from the positive x-axis. Think of this like the 3 o'clock position on a standard clock face. Here is the most important rule to memorize. Which way do we turn? If the angle is positive, we turn counterclockwise against the direction of a clock's hands. If the angle is negative, we turn clockwise just like a clock. Let's visualize a positive angle. Starting from the positive x-axis, we move up and to the left. For example, a positive 135-degree angle lands us in the second quadrant. Now let's look at a negative angle. Starting from that same positive x-axis, we move down and to the right. A rotation of negative 60 degrees would land us in the fourth quadrant. It is helpful to know the boundaries. A quarter turn is 90 degrees. A half turn is 180 degrees. 3/4 is 270 degrees. And a full circle brings us back to start at 360 degrees. Let's try a specific example. If we rotate a point 90 degrees counterclockwise, there is a handy rule. The coordinates x, y become negative y, x, so the point 3, 2 becomes negative 2, 3. To wrap up, remember these 4 points. Rotation happens around the origin. Start at the positive x-axis. Positive angles go counterclockwise, negative angles go clockwise. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.